guys, we're on Zoom right now. We're having an incredible day today. We're live on Zoom. You can see our members here. They're all live with us right now. I just wanted to make this quick video and show you what type of day we're having today. You're not hearing it from me. This is from our members. Carson comes on here. He says, Dave, I'm up around 2,000 on Tesla. Jack Dottie, it's a good day. I'm up a few thousand. Dave Gallo messaged us. He says, Dave, I got in Tesla. I made $1,300 on that one trade. Jack Dottie, Google paid off. Now I have the Facebook trade we just made, the paycheck trade. Andrew Richardson, he's up $2,000 on Apple. Charlotte saying, what a great day. Jabberlee says, thanks, Dave. Dave Gallo, he says, Dave, this is what I did today with you. Dave Gallo says, Dave, this is what I did today with you. He made $6,559.50 on the trades we made. That's a huge day, $6,500. And the best part is, he says, Dave, your trade plan works. Finnegan posted today's realized gains. He made $10,844.89 with us today. Just on Google and Tesla alone today. Thank you, Dave. I'm killing it today, team. I mean, where else do you see things like this and a community coming together and trading together and realizing profits like this? It's a great thing we have here. Don't take it from me, take it from them. They're the ones that have paid for our membership. They're our paid clients, and they're telling you the results that they're having. All the members are congratulating each other. It's a great community here. I mean, if you see this, it's a great atmosphere. We're going to teach you, help you every step along the way, and hopefully you could have results like these members as well. Great day today, guys, and congratulations to all of our team members out there. Great job.